Hello and welcome back to Superstarglam. My name is Janice, in case you didn't know. If you're new here on my channel, and probably if you've been here for a while, you probably didn't know my name. Yes, my name is Janice, and I wanted to welcome you to a fall-inspired makeup tutorial. I am using the Morphe and JACLYN Hill Vault palette in Armed and Gorgeous. I paired this look with this vampy lip, but of course if you're not comfortable with a bold lip, you can always switch it up for a nude lip. Go ahead and press that subscribe button if you haven't done so, and I also urge you to click the little notification bell just so that you get notified when I upload. And let's get started on this tutorial. I'm gonna prime my eyes. I'm gonna use the Essence I Love Color Intensifying eyeshadow base. I haven't decided which palette I want to use for this fall tutorial. I have the Morphe and JACLYN Hill, the Vault eyeshadow palette. This one is in Armed and Gorgeous, and this is what the shades look like. This definitely screams fall, but I also have her original Morphe and JACLYN Hill palette. I just got this, so I haven't really played with it, so I might dip into both. I'm gonna try to keep it just in this one, just to try this one out. Using the Morphe R37, I'm gonna take access to the crease. I'm gonna continue to build this up until I am happy with the intensity. I'm gonna take these Sephora stickers just because I think I want a clean line. I think they're even. I don't know. I'm gonna take this fluffy brush from Essence. It's just an eye blender brush. I'm just gonna go over the edges. It has no product. Clean brush. The next colors I'm going to add are Secure and Agent together, and just add it to the crease just to add some dimension. Now I'm going to take Access and buff it out on the edges. The next shade I'm going to use is Smooth Criminal, and I'm going to use it on this Morphe M506. And I'm applying it right in the outer corner and then slowly bring it into the crease. And I'm going to take Secure and Agent on the same brush, and this is going to help me blend out Smooth Criminal. I'm going into the small tapered brush. I'm going to take Access, and I'm going to blend out those edges. Then I'm going to take that fluffy blending brush that had no product and once again go over the edges. Now I'm going to also take Prowl, and I'm just going to apply that to the outer corner just to deepen. Whatever's left over, I'm just going to slide it onto the crease as well. And I'm going to take Smooth Criminal and blend out that outer corner to make sure there are no harsh lines. Just taking the Morphe R37 with Agent and Secure. Then taking Access just on the edges. And then I'm gonna clean that up with the fluffy brush. I'm going to cut the crease. I'm gonna use the Kevyn Aucoin, the Essential Skin Enhancer in SX05. I'm gonna use the Morphe M421. I can't decide which shade to use. I guess I'm gonna take Classified. I'm taking it on it's like a flat dense brush or packing brush, and the brand is Artnet. I don't even know if you can find these anymore because I got these when I was building my kit from cosmetology school. So in the middle I am using Coin. And now in the inner corner, I'm applying Guilt Trip. And then in the absolute corner of the eye, I'm going to take VIP. I'm going to go back with Prowl and start blending out those edges. Then I'm going to go in with Smooth Criminal. Then I'm taking Agent and Secure, just again going over those edges. Then buffing out the edges with the clean blending brush. I'm gonna do a wing liner, but I'm gonna take this tattoo liner in Mad Max Brown, and it's from Kat Von D. I'm just gonna clean up the fallout. I'm gonna use the Becca First Light Priming Filter and the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizer Primer. I'm gonna go in with NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I'm taking the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in Truffle. I'm gonna take the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. This is in the shade Natural Beige. For the powder, I'm using the Rimmel Match Perfection Silky Loose Face Powder. This is a new product for me. It's the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Skin Perfecting Micro Powder in the shade 2 Medium. I'm going to take the e.l.f. Flawless Face Brush, and I'm going to use this to set my face. So I'm taking the Clinique Cheek Pop Blush Pop in the shade Cola Pop, and this shade actually screams fall to me, but as you can see, a little bit goes a long way, so you gotta apply that with a light hand. I'm going to apply the translucent powder to clean up around the jawline. I'm taking the MAC and Aaliyah bronzer in Baby Girl to bronze up my face. I'm going to take the Balm Bahama Mama contour palette, and I'm going to use this to contour the nose. The highlight I'm gonna put on is the Anastasia in Amarizi. I'm gonna go do my eyebrows off camera and then I'll be back to finish the eye. Okay, so for the lower lash line, I'm going to apply this color to the waterline. This is Kat Von D's Eyegasm. It's the autograph pencil. And then for the lash line, I'm going to add this one. It's the NARS Soft Touch Shadow Pencil in Celebrate. And I'm just applying this as a base for the shadow that I'm going to put on top of that, which is Top Secret. First, I'm going to tap it to set that cream color, and then I'm going to smudge it underneath the lash line. And then I'm taking the Morphe M506, and I'm going to take Secure and Agent and blend out that green shade. Then I'm taking that blending brush that has no product and just buff out the edges. I'm going to go back with VIP and re-intensify the inner corner. Okay, so to line my lips, I'm going to use the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in Los Angeles. Now I'm going to take this. It's I think it's like a sample size I got. I don't even know from what or from where, but it's from Buxom. It's called the Vava Plump Shiny Liquid Lipstick. I just thought it was fall appropriate shade. Ooh. It's too bright, so that's not gonna work. So I changed my mind and I'm going to take it back with classic MAC lipstick Satin Rebel. Looks like this. The lip liner I'm going to use is from IBY Beauty in the shade Deep Red. I'm going to set my face with the All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. I'm using it up because this is still the old packaging. And this completes the look. So here is my look, fall inspired. I'm totally feeling this lipstick. I purchased it because back when I first started, actually fun fact, the first YouTuber that I ever watched, that I binge watched all her makeup tutorials and I was completely obsessed with was Carly Bible. So I remember Googling something. I don't even remember what I Googled, but her videos popped up and I was obsessed with her. She is so beautiful and talented, and I just kept watching her videos and I like seriously binge watched for days. And this was back when I think she had just barely had been on YouTube for like a year. I subscribed right away, and from there I just started watching several other different people's videos. So anyways, back to the lipstick. So she used to be obsessed with MAC Rebel. I don't know why I was calling it Satin. It's actually called Rebel. She was obsessed with MAC Rebel, and every time she would put it on, it just looks so beautiful. And this was probably one of the first products that were influenced by another YouTuber that I purchased. Yeah, so it has a kind of like a special spot But yeah, this color is beautiful. I think that the more that I keep wearing lipsticks, I'm getting a little more comfortable with the idea of having something more moisturizing on my lips, because wearing liquid lipsticks nonstop it takes a toll on the lips. So it feels nice to have something moisturizing your lips. So yeah, that's the little story behind Rebel. So I ended up only using the Vault in Armed and Gorgeous. I used the entire palette all on my eyes. I really hope that you enjoyed this fall inspired makeup look. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I will see you next time. Bye.